Here's a quick look at the market, the E-mini S&P for Thursday, the 22nd of October. Of course, this is just a shortened video compared to the 15 to 20 minute video that we post on our members website with many more charts and marked up in greater detail and so forth. But at least here we can go over the basic gist of what we think is going on in the market. We had mentioned yesterday that we really did expect this 72 area to get tested, even though the market had rallied up about 6 or 7 points off of the low yesterday. So it did get tested overnight, just took it out by 2 ticks, and then another point or so, maybe a little bit more than that, in the regular trading hours today. By the way, these are market profiles, and this is what occurred overnight. And this market profile and volume profile is what occurred today. So we just gave it another little test here and was rejected off of that, as you can see, and then came right back up here. So we knew that this is what we were focusing on, was that 72 area. Could the market hold below it? Instead it got rejected, and so therefore had a good rally. So that was worked out nicely. Now we also like to take a look at the regular hours only, and this is what these profiles are. So we do not have the Globex or overnight session. We have, like, for example, this is today's market profile and volume profile. Yesterday's, this is the big sell-off that occurred yesterday, so we're right back in there. So we're looking at support in this market probably in around the 84, 85 area, probably in around here, quite possibly 94, and then 99, and then 97 as resistance areas going into trade tomorrow. So in taking a look at that, we do have an upward bias going into tomorrow, likely support here. So we're going to monitor these areas overnight, see what happens there, to give us clues as to what could well take place tomorrow, which of course really pay dividends for us today. Here's our software here, and as you can see, here's where the market sold off. That 72 price area is the one that I mentioned yesterday, and the market did briefly come down below it, got rejected up above it. We did have a nice short trade in here, and it did reach our first 2 objectives, so that was a nice trade. We had another short trade in here, right in here, and it was okay. It was a break even. By this time the market was starting to show its strength. We had a long trade in here. Unfortunately, it went sideways on us, and we're stopped out of break even. So on that basis, it turned out just to be a break even trade. I guess you could say we were a little bit early on that. It did pull in a little bit here before it had the big run up. We did have one of the trades here, which was a long trade right in here. Our more experienced traders would have taken this. We didn't actually mark it on the website, but on the members video we went through this because several of the traders, the members, went ahead and got long right in here and were able to participate in at least part of this up run here. That trade moved for them about 3.5 points, so that one worked quite nicely. And of course the market ended up topping out here at 92.25. So these are those areas I just mentioned is really what we're looking at as immediate support and immediate resistance, both below and above the market. But we do think that the market showed some very good resilience today in rallying like that off of that big down day yesterday, and really the buyers really kind of stepping up to the plate, and and along with that, of course, the sellers not able to really hold on to the strength of the selling that they showed with that relatively late sell-off yesterday. So anyway, that's it for today. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com, or go by the website at eMiniDayTrader.com and check out some of our videos and so forth. We'd love to hear from you. Any questions or comments are always welcome. So thanks, and that'll be it for Thursday, the 22nd of October, and we'll see you tomorrow.